Hello and welcome back to another tutorial based on game development. Today we will be learning how to create a 2D space shooter game in Python using Chat GPT. All we need to do is to type "give me the code" to create a simple space shooter game. In Python we will be using Turtle to create our 2D game. Once Chat GPT provides us the code, we need to copy it and paste it on VS Code. Sometimes it stops in between and does not provide us with all the code. At such times we can either type continue, or we can ask ChatGPT, is there more to this code? Then ChatGPT continues to provide us the code. Then we need to copy the code and paste it one by one. Then we need to click on the Run button on the top menu bar or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift-D. This will open the Run and Debug panel. Now we can play the game. As always, don't hesitate in asking questions in the comments below. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.